The art of love. In India, sex education is always treated as a taboo. However, we cannot ignore the fact that the Kama Sutra was born in India. It is nothing to be ashamed but to be proud of. These days, in schools and colleges, sex education is being taught. Kama Sutra is an art of love. Kama Sutra is an educative gem in Hinduism where it includes everything about sharing love with our partners. Kama Sutra. The moment people hear this word, they feel ashamed and hesitant to talk about. Kama Sutra is one of the precious gems of Indian literature. It explains us to share the love to our life partners in a beautiful way. Kama Sutra is all about giving divine physical pleasure to our partners. We can define Kama Sutra as science of love making with mutual understanding and respect. Kama Sutra in Western world is basically called as sex manual, but for the people who know the importance of Kama Sutra, call it as Vedic science or brilliant invention. In Sanskrit, Kama means desire and Sutra means a bond which holds things together. Thus, Kama Sutra means the guidelines throughout which all your sexual desires can be fulfilled and held together. Kama Sutra is generically known as Kama Shastra, and it is one of the most oldest and notable group of texts found. The ancient Indian Hindu text is considered to be the standard work on human sexual behavior in the Sanskrit language. The author of Kama Sutra is Vatsyayana, a Hindu philosopher in the Vedic tradition who is believed to have lived around the 2nd century CE. Kama is one of the 4 goals of Hindu life, which means desire, including the feeling of seeking pleasures between partners. According to everyone, Kama Sutra is depicted as a bunch of creative sexual positions to be tried out by partners. In reality, only 20% of the Kama Sutra is actually about sexual positions. A majority of Kama Sutra is all about the theory of philosophy, of love and elements which trigger desire, how to sustain it and to know about the good and bad therein. Vatsyayana's Kama Sutra has a total of 1250 verses distributed in 36 chapters, further organized into 7 parts. Vatsyayana stated that 7 parts of his work were abridged from longer works by Dataka, first part, Suvarnabha, second part, Gotakamukha, third part, Gonardiya, fourth part, Gonika Putra, fifth part, Charayana, sixth part, and Kuchmara, seventh part. Hindu philosophers have 4 goals in life, known as Purusharthas, which includes Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. Kama Sutra says Dharma is better than Artha and Artha is better than Kama. Artha should be practiced by the king for livelihood of men, which is to be obtained from it only. Author Vatsyayana says a person should know how to make his living. Youth is the time for pleasure, but as days pass by, a person should concentrate on virtuous living, hoping to escape the cycle of rebirth, which is moksha. The Kama Sutra also acknowledges that a person's senses can be dangerous because when 2 lovers are busy in the battle showering their love to each other, they are caught up in a fierce energy and pay no attention to dangers in life. The Kama Sutra carried a different attitude than the rest of the books, as it helped guide and warn a person against destruction while on a journey to find pleasure. The Kama Sutra should not be confused with tantric sex, as such sexual practices do not exist under the wide Hindu religion and Tantra. According to Hindu scholars and intellectuals, Kama Sutra is not only about the human pleasure, it's an eye-opener literature written in Hinduism which tells us to be conscious about what's happening around. It teaches us to spread love with passion, respecting the opposite gender.